Hello guys! Welcome to our vlog. Sama natin si Katie. Anong gagawin natin, Katie? We're going to unbox your toys. Oh, you say hi. Oh, you sit down, sit down. Don't scared. Sit down. Wow. What is this? Let me see this. Wow. Are you excited? Wow, what is that? Wow. Are you excited? Excited ba si Dwayne? Wow, what is this? Look. So, nag-order kami ng Magic Color City Blocks. So, ano siya? Kahoy. Kaya, ayan, unbox natin. Ang ganda. Ayan. Pwede siya sa 36 months pataas. Cute! Wow! So cute. Okay, now let's unbox your toys. Okay. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
You're excited. Wow. Let me see. Wow. Look at, wow, look at this. Okay, so lagayin ko ng mga blocks. And oh my gosh. Ang dami niya. Ayan na. See? Very ganda. And look. Ang ganda. This is so nice. Look, mayroong bank, hospital, cafe, police.
Look, mommy.
Meron siyang mga cars. Ayan. So, let's open it. Let's open. Ooh, it's a puzzle. Wow, ganito siya buuhin. So, may pattern. Ayan. So nice, baby.
Mommy, look.
Okay, you're excited? You want to open it?
Yes.
Oh, you open it. This is yours. You open it.
Okay.
Paano mo i-open?
Guys, hello guys. This is bye. Hi guys.
Let's open my toys. Okay. Oh, now open it. Open it. Hello guys. Help me to open my toys. Okay, mommy will help you. Wow, this is so nice.
Wow! Amazing!
So,
Amazing!
buuhin natin yung puzzle, baby. Up, careful.
Kumain ka na puzzle?
Yeah, let's do this. Let's buo the puzzle. Oh no, this is so nice.
And then yung mga sis, binubuo ko nga dito yung puzzle and nakakatuwa dahil sobrang nag-i-enjoy si KD. Kailangan natin ng mga ganito for our toddler. Kaya ilalagay ko din yung link kung saan ko binili na shop. Itong wooden toys. Magic Color City siya.
So ayan guys, nabuo na natin yung
Supermarket!
yeah. So magbubuo tayo ng puzzle. So ang nice niya, in fairness. Super nice nito. Good for the toddler talaga. Oh look.
Wow!
Oh look. Wow. Wow. Dito ka, dito ka. Dito ka. Okay. You help mommy. is hotel.
This one is a hotel. A hotel.
Wait, wait.
Wait, one.
No, let's wait. Mm-hmm.
No.
Wait, wait.
This one is square.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look, like this.
This and then overs.
You put it there.
There.
It's a hotel. You add some blocks here. Tapos yung car, pupunta siya sa park. Pupunta si din sa park. Ito yung way, oh. Okay.
Ito way off. No. Put the ambulance. Put my ambulance.
Lalagyan natin ng tow parking helicopter. O, dali. Give mo yan sa akin. Give me that. The car. Ay, oh no.
Helicopter go. Helicopter go. Helicopter go.
Yeah.
Helicopter go. Helicopter go. Doctor.
The tree. This is the tree. And the tree. Yeah. This is the car. Car is everywhere. A police car? Where's the police car? This one. The ambulance. This one. This car is for this. Okay?
Helicopter go.
Ice cream. The school bus. This is a school. Alright. And the tree again. I'm gonna put it there. Nice.
Helicopter go. Wow, amazing.
Like this.
Helicopter go. Helicopter go. Helicopter go.
Wala, get mo. Get mo din.
Okay, get them. Get it. Here. Here. Ano ka?
So, babay ka na sa kanila.
Bye-bye.
So, yan ang ganda niya, mga sis. And look, sobrang natutuwa si Katie. And mag-i-enjoy din ako mag-play.
Uh-oh.
So, iwas si screen time ni Katie. Kaya, ayan, bili tayo.
Helicopter go.
So,
Bye-bye.
thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.